Good morning to one and all and everyone. This is Rupesh. Today I am going to do a 2D modeling in AutoCAD. First of all, go to this plus option and where you can find a create new file option. Press that. After that, it will ask a name about the file. You can put any name as your wish. As I am putting it as a project 1. Project 1. Okay. The file will be open. After the file was opened, check the grid lines all is set or not, and again check the diagram that you need to draw in AutoCAD. This is the diagram that I need to draw in AutoCAD. Later now check the dimensions of the diagram that you need to draw. It's 50 and 70 length. Draw that. Go to draw command in which you can find line option. Select line command and select a line of 70. Done. Zoom out for clear view. Okay. Now check once diagram. As you can see, it is a whole length of 50 in which in middle there is a 12 mm gap. If you remove 12 from 50, it is 38. 38 means upper part 19 and lower part is 19. So select draw command, go to line, go up 19 and again select line command, this side up 19. Done. Now as you can see, in upper part this is the top view of the diagram and this is front view of the diagram. If you can see, in front view they have given a dotted line of 48 in which overall 70. If you remove 48, it will be 22. 22 means this side 11 and other end is 11, so we have to move 11 distance inwards. So select line command, draw 11 inside, done. Again select line command, draw 11 inside, done. Now what is this length? This length is 12, so we have to draw 12 upwards. Again line command, line command, oh shit, 12, done. Again line command, done. Again we have to draw 11 outwards. Select line command, 11, done. Again line command, extend drawn, done. Again as you can see, as I said, you need to draw again 19 distance up and here 19 distance up. So select line command, 19 up, done. Again line command, 19 up, done. Now join these two again with line command, done. As you can see, there are two lines in middle, so first of all draw a center line for this diagram. Center line, done. Center line, this is the center line. Now select this line and go to offset command and select this line, go to offset command and here enter 11. The 11 dimension I wrote means here in front view they gave 22 distance. 22 means from the center of the axis it is either sides it is 22, so I divided into half, 11 11. means this side 11, that side 11 from the axis. If you think this is the axis, and from this I gave 11 distance this side, 11 distance that side. Again select this line, offset command. Now left side 11 distance, done. Now we can see the top view has been completed. Now check the dimensions of front view. As it is the top view, the overall length is 70 and overall our top length is 24. So we have to draw, we need to put some gap between top view and front view. So select line command, put a distance of 20 gap. Now again line command, 70, done. Now you can trim this over. Draw command, line 12 distance up, done. Again line command, 12 distance up, done. Now if you remove 22 from overall 70, it means it will be 48. 48 means 24, 24 you need to extend inwards. Select line command, 24, done. Select line command, this line is slight negative. Done. Now straight line, 24, done. Now if you see from bottom, it is overall 24. We already drawn 12, means we have to draw another 12 distance for 24 distance. Select line command, up 12, done. Again line command, up 12, done. Now join these two with the line command again. This diagram is mostly dependent on line command, so I am not using any other command, and we have using the trim command. You can also remove this middle line as your wish. I remove. Now there is a dot, as this is the top view and this front view. Due to this grooves, we got a dotted line here. For that we can draw a straight line. Draw command, we can project this up. Completed. Again line command, up, completed. Now use trim option, you can trim this. Okay, now the diagram has been completed. Now we have to put the dimensions. Go to dimensions and select angular dimension. Now select 2 points for dimensioning. 70, completed. Now again align the dimension, this part, we got that. Again align dimension, not this, sorry, this point. Okay, I want to change the color of the dimension to indicate, so it will be easy for you. Ready, right, okay, completed. Now this dimension, again dimensions, angle, again angle dimension, align the dimension, done. Again align the dimension, this part, no, I have got another part, another type. Align the dimension, this point, from this, okay. Now we need to do this dimension will also fit. Align the dimension, this point, done. Now we have to change these colors too, so we can identify it as a dimension. the diagram has been completed. You can see as we haven't draw the normal line here. That's it, everything is fine. Like this we can draw the command. Like this we can use another lines for house. We can also use another for many tootling diagrams. We can also use in this drawing, in this modeling I only use the option is line command and trim command. In following ways you can use any command. Thank you.